hope you're good. I have missed you guys. I'm back with another video. No, I'm back with another DIY. I am back with another life hack, beauty hack. Yes, that is going to help you ladies, my Curries. It is really going to help you. So before we continue, let me give you a little bit of a background story. So I was going for a shoot and I really needed to put on eyeliner. At that time, I had an eyeliner, but no sooner had I bought the eyeliner than it ended. You guys, I didn't even apply that eyeliner. Imagine. I bought it in Dubois or Dubois for my other people. So yes, actually, honestly, I didn't even apply that eyeliner. I bought it and never applied it. So I was just there wondering, so how am I going to hack it? Like, I really need to put on eyeliner because the makeup I had done, it was incomplete. It looked incomplete. As I was applying my mascara, somebody say mascara. I was applying my mascara and then an idea popped up. And that idea is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So stay right there. Don't go anywhere. And remember guys, please subscribe, like, share. Thank you to everyone, each and every person who has shared my video, who has liked, commented, and just shown me love. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. So let's get straight into the beauty hack. So guys, this is the eyeliner. I was telling you guys, I never applied, never, not even once. So this is the stick it comes with. Yeah. So before we continue, what do you need for this hack or DIY? You need your eyeliner stick and you need your mascara only. I'm using waterproof mascara, Naked number 5. I think it's number 5 if I'm not wrong, but this is the mascara I'm using. I hope you guys can see. I'm a YouTuber. Not doing hivi, acha tudu hivyo pia sisi leo, hata si ni YouTubers. So I hope you guys have seen. Me hata sijui kama I hope umeona. So yeah, it is the waterproof mascara. Oh, here's the number M791 Naked. So all you need is your mascara stick, eyeliner stick and your mascara. That's it. That's all you need for this DIY. So I'm not talking too much. This is a very, very short video. So yeah, let's get right into it. So yeah. So what I will do, you see, yeah, you guys are seeing now. This is what we are up for. This is what we need. You see, this liquid is what we need. Yeah, imagine. It is possible. And I'm going to show you guys. It is possible. So I have a mirror here. So don't wonder what I'm doing down here. I'll be using this mirror. So what you're going to do, for starters, you're just going to it's like you're painting, but really you're not painting. I don't know the word, but you just do this. You see what I'm doing? So that you can collect the black liquid and then you start applying. So this is what we want, the black liquid. Alright, so that your mascara doesn't dry up. Close it. And guys, don't do this. Don't do that. Air is entering into the mascara, and that will make your mascara dry up quickly. So what you do, just swirl. You swirl. You do this thing, ikitu, like that. Just do like this, and don't pump it. So this is it.
Strong.
You just start pole pole. I don't know if you guys, yeah, you guys, you can see. Again, you collect, or you do what? Comment down below and tell me the name. Comment below, not down below. We do that thing again. You continue the journey. Make sure you repeat the process over and over again until you are satisfied. Guys, this is the trickiest part. I'm not an eyeliner person, but I will try today. It really dries up fast, so make sure you catch up. You catch up with it. Come through. Come through, you guys. Come through. So I hope you guys can see. Imagine, and you have eyeliner. Imagine. So we are done with this side. Done with this side. You guys can see Curries. So let's do this other side, and then I show you the final product. Guys, I'm nervous because I'm just wondering how YouTubers do their makeup while they're vlogging. It's still a mystery to me. Still a mystery. I feel like I'm supposed to present something in front of a lot of people, and you are not about to mess up. Please do not mess up. Again, repeat the process until I am satisfied. Guys, my mirror is not all that cute.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
We are done. we are done with the, what do you call it, that part. We're done with this part. Now I'm about to wing it, you guys. I'm winging it. This side looks nice. I'm really proud of myself. Ile vitu kwa mfanya huko hivi na kwaga mingi comedy. Guys, tuko tu hapa na nyinyi. And I'm really messing it up. Okay, they're not twins, but Shorty, what you doing? Curries, what you doing? But guys, simnaelewa hizi vitu. I've really tried. You guys, I don't do this. I'm going to take it off. Nimechoma hapa hivi. Really choma. But we are learning. We're learning something. I'm going to take it off. Kidogo. But you guys, it's really coming through. Ama tuiache hivyo. Simeona. So, what we will do, we'll just leave it at that because naweza fanya sarakasi kumshangae. And also another thing, guys, if you're hearing some background noise, please bear with me. There are children outside here playing and I can't really control that, but I'm so sorry. And there are also cars passing. Yeah, we all know cars are everywhere. Alright? Yes, so yeah, cars are everywhere, guys. So I can't really control the noise outside, but bear with me. Bear with me. So guys, okay, let me do my mascara and then we call it a wrap. So yeah, we are done. And that's it, guys. Imagine, that's it. You are done. You have your eyeliner and you're good to go. Imagine. So simple. Simple, simple, simple. Okay. And that was it for the video. I hope you guys have learned and enjoyed the video at the same time. I hope it will help you in one way or another. So please tununue eyeliner. This is just for a quick fix. It's not a go-to. So yeah, until next time, bye.